Hey soul sister, hey there Mister on the radio, stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hi. For today's video, what I'm going to be doing is trying to make microwave like mug thingies without a recipe. I am obsessed with microwave mug anything. I usually make microwave mug pizza and brownie because like I crave those things sometimes. So today I decided to try and do it without a recipe. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't even know if this has been done on YouTube. I don't even know if this will do well, but I don't care. So let's just get started. I really hope this is focused on me, and if not, I'm sorry, but by the way, during this I'm gonna be like snacking on some chips and kombucha. Asian pear and ginger kombucha. Got it from grocery outlet. Love that place. Have a little taste test. It's okay. Anyways, so got a mug. This is my favorite mug for doing like making things in the microwave. I got some baking powder with reduced sodium, a bunch of like measuring thingies, some olive oil, some salt, some baking soda, and then some flour over here. Okay, and then I got a whisk and a fork. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this flour, and I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of flour. So 3 tablespoons, so 6 of these since this is half tablespoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I think I'm gonna add a tablespoon more because it's lacking. Okay, we have 4 tablespoons in here. And next, I'm going to half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. I don't know what's the purpose of baking soda and baking powder, but I know it's used. Cool. Maybe we should use a 4th teaspoon. Okay, 4th teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder. Okay, so that's added, and now I'm gonna give it a little mix. Right, so it's all mixed. Some salt, mix it again. All right, and now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. Actually, I'm gonna add half a tablespoon, and then I'm gonna mix it and see how it looks, and then if I need more, I'll add more. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna add another half tablespoon. Boom! Should I add some water? I think I'm gonna add some water. Okay, so I added a splash of water. Might have been too much, but it's alright. It smells. Hello. Oh, hi. Are you working in the garage?
Yes.
It's alright. Well, so this is like no dough. I don't know if you can see, but there's like nothing in there. I think I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of flour. 1, 2. I'm gonna need to add more water. Yeah, more water. Oh wow! Look at all the liquid in there. It's supposed to be like a dough, and this is like a batter. So I'm gonna add more. I don't know what I'm doing. That was like a tablespoon and 3/4. Okay, so we got it. It's all good. And now I'm going to get oregano. So I'm gonna get just like that much, I guess, and grind it because I don't like oregano chunks. Okay, so got the oregano. Just going to throw it in there. That might have been too much, but it's alright. Okay, perfect. Oh, I realized you cannot see because of the shadow. Oh well. So I don't have any marinara sauce because I don't know. So I'm gonna use some pesto. Don't want too much because pesto is pretty powerful, but I want it to like coat the top. Beautiful. Now mozzarella. I don't know, I guess add however much cheese you want. And then pepperoni. So these are big pepperonis, and you kind of want a pepperoni in like every bite, I guess, or almost every bite. So I usually get like 2, and I'll just like rip it so that it's not just one big pepperoni. Now we got our pizza done. We're gonna put it in the microwave for a minute, and then I'll come back. All right, so here it is. It's pretty big bump. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bump. I'm gonna poke it. I got a piece at the top. I got a piece with pepperoni, some cheese, some pesto, and of course, like the bread. So, bon appetit, baby. It's definitely not done cooking. It's not like raw, but like it's really doughy. So I'm gonna put it in for 15 more seconds and then I'll be back. All right, so let it cook a little longer and now we're gonna try it again. Bon appetit, baby. I think I added too much baking soda because it's definitely not too much salt or flour or olive oil that I taste. It's very something else. If my parents see this, I'm so sorry for wasting 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a good amount of oregano. I really thought this would turn out good. Like, that's why I was like, whatever. That's really sad. Well, let's hope that the brownie redeems this and tastes good. I'm gonna be honest, I'm even less confident about this one. Oh, and by the way, look at my cute mug. It's Ursula. She's so pretty. I don't have any cocoa powder, but I have this hot chocolate. So, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons, which is 6 of these, because this is a half tablespoon. Got 3 tablespoons of hot chocolate, and next, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. Now I'm gonna mix it with my little baby whisk. I don't think I'm gonna have to add any sugar because, you know, hot chocolate powder, like instant powder already has sugar. It smells really good. Next, I really don't know what I'm doing with this one, like at all. think I'm gonna add a little bit of flour because I feel like if I add just like this and milk, it'll just turn into like some weird hot chocolate. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of flour. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix it again. Okie dokie. So, got that all mixed. And now I'm gonna add a tablespoon. Well, actually, I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of milk. And then if I need more, I'll add another half tablespoon. So I'm gonna add another. Did I already say I was gonna add another tablespoon? I don't know, or half tablespoon. I don't know. Okay, this is like a little too much. A little too runny. So I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of flour. I mean, it was a little more than half a teaspoon, but so this seems a lot more thicker, I guess. No, I'm just gonna use it. So I'm gonna put this in for 45 seconds, check up on it, and then we'll see from there. Okay, well, first off, I forgot to add this. I mean, I didn't need to add it, but I was just gonna add it, you know, just to have it. And second of all, so obviously this did not work out, but you know, I'm gonna be honest with you, I really just wanted something sweet. We don't have like any cookies here. You know what I'm gonna do? Because I couldn't get a freaking brownie, I'm gonna make myself some cookies using the oven, not the microwave, because I already tried that this morning and this happened. The heat made a break and the cookies got burnt. So I broke a plate and I didn't even get cookies. I'm actually gonna do it the way it's intended with the oven. Like how you're supposed to make a real pizza and a real brownie. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not copy any of the recipes I did because obviously it doesn't work, but if you do want to search them up, I'll leave the links to like the ones that I usually use down below. They're so good. Yeah, I don't know, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. It's free. I promise it's free. Yeah, I don't know. I just want to eat this cookie and another one. I'll see you next time. Bye.